The Auto Man here. Today we're talking about recommended services for your vehicle. When you take your vehicle in and it's inspected, how do you know if you need all those recommended services? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. Number one, you should be taking your vehicle to a qualified facility with people that you trust. That's the first place to start. If you start there, then you know that they'll be there to advise you properly. Number two, they should be breaking down the services for you. Starting with number one, what are safety items such as brakes? We have some example here of worn out brakes, etc. These are definitely safety items for you and your family and everybody else on the road. They should be number one concern. Number two, items that could damage the vehicle, such as hoses that are failing, that can cost you more money if you have a failure on the road. These become very important and fall in the second category. Number three is maintenance items, which we often talk about. Air filters that can cause lack of fuel mileage, cabin filters that are plugged that can cause pollen and contaminants into your cabin itself, along with things like that. It's very important to be taking your vehicle to somebody you trust. At the West Automotive Group, we line these things out for you so you know what to do and when to do and how to take care of your vehicle.
For more automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can always listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB radio.